morning mga kadeki! Welcome back to my channel and to my page. And sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, ano ba hinihintay nyo? Subscribe na kayo because we are outside again and another vlog here. So guys, medyo special yung ride natin today kasi bukod sa pula, makakasama rin tayong blue, and today is the friendship ride ng Boss, BMW, and Ducati Multistrada Group. Kaya first time ata itong gagawin, or tama, yeah, first time to, and mamaya mag-interview tayo some insights about this ride. Anyway, asa Shell kami sa may NLEX, sa may pabalagtas na, and ang ride namin is Bataan Loop. So, SCTEX, Dinalupihan, tapos Morong, and then Subic. Yan ang aming ride today. At samahan nyo ako. At magtatanong tayo guys. Of course, unahin natin. Bawal lang iba. Presidente muna namin. President Lorben ng Multistrada Group. Ano ba itong event natin today, boss?
Good morning everyone. Today, monumental to event natin, historic. It's the first time we're having Boss, the BMW Group, and MoGP Multistrada together with other Ducati riders, riding together. It's a friendship ride. We will have around 200 riders today joining us, going to Subic, riding together, diba? Riding brothers in passion,
Of course, and no to brand wars, diba?
Yes, no to brand wars. Ang tagline natin is collective success, diba? Over personal ego.
Ayan. So first time itong mangyayari, and hopefully yearly na ba, boss?
Yes, this is just a start, may mga next activities pa tayo after.
Hindi lang pala ride. Okay. Thank you, President.
Thank you.
Ayan, isa pang boss, literal na boss, and Boss President, Boss Joseph. Boss Joseph, first time bang mangyayari itong ating ride na to?
Yes.
Lodi.
Para halika dito, Jerwin, sumama ko dito.
So ano ba itong ride na to, boss?
Ito yung pagkakaisa at kapatiran.
Yes.
No matter what kind of bike you have,
of course,
no matter where you ride, we're just one. What is important is yung fellowship at pagsama-sama natin.
No to brand wars. And hopefully, hindi ba ito ang una? May mga kasunod pa ba, boss?
Yes, there will be a lot,
Ayan, ang dalawang president, diba? So, friendship ride natin today, guys. And saan ang destination?
Subic.
Through Bataan Loop. Ayan, ride safe sa amin.
Doc Boss, we made it possible.
Yes, of course. First time nga diba? Monumental. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kami kasi. Oh, wow. Lagi na sila.
Boss! Hello. Yung plano natin
Tutuloy natin. Nakikishare ako dito sa Giso Live. Kik-electric fan.
Mag-video muna ako.
Let's do briefing. Good morning.
Hirap mo.
Good morning.
Maki Motong.
Thank you for joining us today. It's going to be a big event. It's the first time it's happening. Thank you sa boss, ni Prince Joseph, and sa Ducati, diba? And everyone supporting. Anyway, we'll have a program later on, diba? So just for the briefing, yung route lang natin. So we've sent that out. So our route is NLEX, SCTEX, Dinalupihan exit. Okay? Sa Dinalupihan, when we exit, naka-ready na sila dun sa atin. You can take any of the toll, and then may guns din sila. Okay? And then some of you can regroup there. Diba? And then, diretso Bataan Road. Okay? May right turn tayo going to Samat, Morong. There's a total sa Anto, other side. May total sa Anto, other side. We can regroup there. Diba? Water break, and then go straight to Subic. Okay? Sa Subic, guys, very important pagdating sa Subic, we need to follow the rules. Okay? We agreed with the management, we will follow the rules. Traffic lights, yung stop and go, 3 seconds. Diba? We can do it in pairs. Okay? And then may speed limit din sila. Okay? So we need to follow that. Diba? Even if we're in groups. And then there will be guide. Pagpasok natin ng Subic, i-guide na tayo ng Subic management. Yung security nila, and they will guide us going to the hotel. Okay? And the hotel,
What's the name of the hotel again?
Subic Grand Harbor.
Subic Grand Harbor Hotel.
Subic Grand Harbor.
So you can put it in your Google Maps or
Google
Land
Maps.
your body, Subic Grand Harbor Hotel.
Ang parking natin is in front of the hotel. The whole road, we can park. We're allowed to park dun sa road. Okay?
Okay!
Alright!
Alright!
Okay!
Your body first.
Woo!
Yes, Your Honor.
Kaya mo na lahat ha. Guys, sorry, before we go, prayer muna, prayer.
Prayer, prayer.
let's all put ourselves in the holy presence of the Lord.
A few moments later.
Okay? So kailangan na natin umakyat daw sa 4th floor para makita na makuha natin yung raffle. Okay? Alright. So akyat na po tayo sa 4th floor. Meron lang konting catch ha. Kailangan nyo mag-cardio. Kasi puro dami daw kinain eh. Okay, let's go up para makuha natin yung mga raffle. Thank you.
Hello po. Ay, taas. So, may raffle daw guys. Pagkatas ko man. Hi, Lian! Hi, everyone! Vlog. Po tayo.
Guys, alternate seating tayo ha. We encourage alternate seating. So, you can sit with someone
So, andito kami ngayon sa Subic Grand Hotel. Nakakain na rin kami. Ay, sarap. Nakapagkape. Tapos ngayon, may konting event para daw sa mga raffle prizes and everything.
Dear God, thank you so much for the unity of bikers, and we are united in you as well because you are our creator and you are our protector. So as we fellowship this morning in your presence, and may we hope this friendship not just today but in the coming days. In your name we pray.
Thank you, Coach. Starben, simulan na natin ang
let's start. Marami tayong for dito.
You may take your seat now.
Before that, thank you everyone for joining. Sabi nga ni Press Joseph, it's actually, ano yung team natin natin?
Sponsors is Turatech, Alvin D.
Sir Alvin, thank you.
Car Scoot.
Car Scoot, nandito si Francis. Thank you, Sir Francis.
Ducati Philippines.
Yes!
Thank you, Boscotti.
Pwede mo mas malakas?
Yes!
Sabi talaga yung pagkain natin eh. Pwede mo mas malakas, ibig sabihin, busog na tayo talaga.
Yes!
1, 2, 3, go! Thank you.
Ano ba si Toti lang, nakaakyat pa siya?
Eto! Grabe, nakaka.
And then of course, very important,
BMW.
Woo!
Thank you very much, BMW.
dito yung mga BMW fans natin. And very special, asa na ang
Amazing.
mga shirts
Alam niyo
natin.
naman amazing, di ba? Hindi niya nakakilala si Amazing Man eh. Amazing Man, tayo ka naman.
Stand up.
Come near the balloon. Come near the balloon. Tingnan nyo lang, di ba? Drop the tip. Press go! Press go! Tingnan mo na, ganyan na balloon natin.
Ay, nakita ulit sa akin.
Tingnan nyo, tayo mas madala, di ba? Tingnan nyo maigi. Tingnan nyo maigi balloon.
Mekos!
Now, pick up the balloon in front of you. In front of you.
In front of you, in front of you,
In front of you. Not your name, ha?
In front of you, not your name.
In front of you.
In front of you, not your name.
Not your name, but the balloon in front of you. Not your name.
Yes, kung may balon na kayo.
Doon, kayo.
Move back. Kung may balon na kayo, move back.
Move back.
Move back. Move back.
Baka wala pang balon, kuha kayo.
Don't pick up your name. Don't pick up your name. Okay. Move back. Marami pang balon dito. Pick up any balloon. Feel free. Feel free. Move back. Move back.
Ano ang pangalan? Sino kaya si Raffle?
Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Clear.
Ano napatan?
Okay. Give me number...
Kinakagaling magpasoy.
Give me number 32. 32. Yung unang umakit ng stage. 32.
Ay, sino na?
We have a winner.
Have a winner.
May winner na.
Game 16.
Okay na.
Ang galing. Teka,
Okay lang.
hindi mo ba dinaya yan, Nico? Wala, oh. Number 8. We have a winner. Ah, bagal ka eh. Bagal ka eh.
Okay, okay. It's okay. Okay, congrats. We give some prizes. Bibigyan natin yung balak na ba?
Congrats. Ano ba yan?
You wanna close it out?
First, before we go, let's tap the shoulder of the one on the right. The one on your right. Who's the one on your right? Tap. Tell him. Tap the shoulder of the one on your right. The one on your right. So, guys, tap the shoulder of the person on your right and say, thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming.
Alright? Thank you. On the left naman. On the left naman. On the left naman. On the left. On the left. On the left naman.
Thank you for
Saan yung on the
coming,
left?
Coach Raymond.
Tawagin mo naman ako.
Thank you. Thank you for not racing. Thank you for not racing.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for joining. Have a safe ride back home. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sa boss na Ducati MotoGP, DCS, all those who join us. And Ducati North, thank you.
hi guys! Pauwi na kami ngayon. Ano oras na ba? Ayun, 12:58. So, natapos na yung friendship ride ng Boss and Ducati Multistyle Group. Thank you so much Ducati Philippines, sa mga sponsors, of course kay President Lorben, kay President Joseph as well, for the camaraderie, and I hope sa mga susunod na vlog, watch nyo rin guys. So please subscribe and please follow me on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Bye bye mga kateki!